whole learning process, it was really great. The way Craftshala were teaching us, the hands-on experience, the daily projects that we were working on in groups, that was an amazing experience. Hi everyone, my name is Akash Naskar. I belong from Kolkata. I completed my graduation in 2020. I have a bachelor's degree in zoology, but I was always intrigued and I always wanted to pursue a career in marketing. While I was in college, and after graduation, I was definitely looking for a course that I can pursue where I can get most of the knowledge that would help me have a successful career in marketing. So there were many courses that I was looking for, namely the Udemy, Coursera. But the problem there was there's this huge upfront fee that you are supposed to pay, and that's where I came across Craftsala's MLP course, and it was really an amazing opportunity. I was really interested in the Craftsala's program because the fee was very less. Also, there was a great placement opportunity there, and you only have to pay the fee after you complete the whole process and you get placed. And one more thing that I personally felt while doing the Udemy course and a few other courses, there was not a lot of practical application that was going on. So like in the modules, they were telling us you go to this website and you do this, and when I went to the website, I was like, okay, what is happening? I'm not really able to understand what I'm supposed to do. And like after seeing the whole module of Craftshala, I felt that the way that the program was designed, I would definitely get hands-on experience, and that was the two reasons why I opted for the Craftshala program. This was an amazing experience, like working with like-minded people who are really passionate about marketing, which is something that I had never like experienced before. So interacting with people coming from different backgrounds was something that brought us together, and putting our heads together, trying to figure out the various problems or the tasks that the Craftshala team had given us, and trying to come up with new ideas how we can solve those problems, tackle those problems, and also uh, learning things and implementing whatever we had learned and implementing it together. That was a great thing that I experienced for the first time in the Craftshala program. So the whole process of expert interaction was like really new to me, like getting to meet people who were doing it on a daily basis. It was their bread and butter, like people who were teaching us Facebook ads and SEO. It was like they were doing it for a living. So interacting with them and getting to know about all the nitty gritties of how they are doing it, or how we are supposed to do it, was really something that I was experiencing here for the first time. That really like motivated me to better our future projects that we were doing. So I remember a few interactions. One was definitely with Parokash, who was our SEO like expert, and he taught us about how he tackles any problem, and he really showed us from his side that how we are also supposed to do our SEO bit. And that was something that really set us apart, like when we were doing the whole thing. And SEO was a module that we were like, each and every one of us feel that we are very comfortable at. Moving forward in the Google Ads part, I remember interacting with Pawan. He was also really like very helpful. Like he stood there and like he like tackled each and every one of our questions, and like made us understand them to the point that if we did not understand, he was like repeating that. That was just amazing experience. Yeah. Sessions with Ishu were mostly on the functional part, but I think the main part like where Ishu made a huge impact on us were in the doubt resolution sessions that he used to conduct for us. He used to discuss those doubts and get some industry expert to help him discuss those doubts, and that was one of the biggest impacts that we had, and really it set us up for what we are going to do like in our lives coming forward. The biggest functional learning would definitely be that how, when we are dealing with some problem, that we have to look it from a marketer's perspective. We have to think about the consumer, who have to think what the consumer wants. Then we have to focus on solving the consumer's problems and all. That was something that like no one else, I think, in this whole education sector teaches us. Like if you go for any normal digital marketing course, they just teach you how to do SEO, how to run a Facebook ad, and all the technicalities. And after doing the technicalities, I found it really easy that anyone who has access to those platforms can like go around and figure it out. There's not not much to do in those technical aspects, but the whole process of figuring out the budget, the back calculation, and the whole marketer's perspective is what my biggest learning from this whole process has been. That is where the whole difference actually comes between Craftshala's program and other programs. And also for other programs, even in my graduation, the whole human skills module is something that I had never experienced before. So in the behavioral sessions, we learned a lot of things. The main thing was learning about the mindset that we moving forward, that we can achieve whatever we can, and not have a restrictive mindset from our side, that maybe if I'm not good at something, I cannot do it. Before coming to this program, I was not really accustomed to working in a professional setting, and like after coming here, I got to know like how to behave in a professional setting and how to interact with people. And also before coming to this background, my whole like life has rotated around like learning science and not really focusing on a consumer. So my whole aspect has been on bookish knowledge, just reading and like passing exams and all that. So from coming here, I got to know like how to figure out the needs of the consumer and how to interact with people. So that has been a great like of change that I have found within myself. And apart from that, the whole like listening module, that where we are supposed to listen to our peers and try to find out what their problems are, or respond to them without really offending them in some way or hurting them in some way, that was really amazing. And also the whole CV prep and the interview prep module that we had, where we were working continuously on our CV, improving our stories in our CV, and also working on the interview questions that we might be asked, was something that really helped us set the bar that we can go out to any interviewer and talk about ourselves, give a very good introduction, and talk about what we had done in the past and set our story straight, basically. And the one more thing, that for managing the whole day schedule, actually our human skills coach Shumona, she played a really huge part. Like she energized us throughout the course, and her yoga sessions and her breathing techniques, that was something that really motivated us to stay there and give our more than 100% to the course and just be active throughout the day. So support has always been the best at Craftshalla. So like in terms of functional support, like whenever we had some doubts, we had this query resolution group where we can put our queries out, and someone from the team definitely answers it within the hour. And like also we there was daily feedback where we were supposed to like put our doubts in on a regular basis, whatever we did not understand, whatever we felt that we needed a revision on. And apart from that, from the behavioral aspect, like whenever we were feeling low or whenever we felt that the program was pacing too fast, we always had our buddies to talk to. The whole Craftshalla team always helped us to resolve those doubts and have a positive experience overall. So like honestly speaking, the most surprising part for me was when I got selected in Craftshalla, because the conversation with Varun was really in a friendly way rather than an interview. So like after the interview, I was convinced that Varun did not ask me serious questions, so I'm not going to get selected. But when I got the call, I was really shocked that I got a place in Craftshalla. And honestly, I always wanted to pursue a career in teaching as well. So I had told that to Varun, that I maybe if I get selected in Craftshalla, I'd like to teach like Issue and other mentors. If I talk about the things that helped me crack the role, was definitely the human skills module in overall, the listening skills, the writing of our stories, and then working on those stories, getting our interview answers evaluated by some of the mentors, and then they also getting some answers reviewed by our peers, and the personal help from Shumona also, like when we were having some doubts from on our stories that we want to portray in the interview or some points in the CV, she was always there to help us through that whole process. So that was something that really helped me crack this Craftshalla internship. I would definitely suggest each and every one to take up this whole Craftshalla experience and be a part of this amazing learning process, where you get to learn about all the functional aspects as well as the human skills aspect. And I'm really sure that if you give your time and efforts in these 3 months, you will definitely gain more out of it moving forward. And as there's placement support, like the whole process, that Craftshalla will set you up for life, definitely. So take up the course, like give your time and effort in this course, and you will reap more benefits than you are putting efforts into.